Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Ted, and here you'll find several videos dedicated to the repair, refurbishing, and restoration of various car parts. I'm a 40-year hobbyist whose enjoyment of rebuilding neglected and worn-out parts has driven me to create this channel, to pass along to others what I've learned over the years and help them in completing their projects. There's already several videos posted summarizing the restoration of GM power seat tracks, as well as the design and development of replacement parts for various applications. Down in the description, you'll find a link to my website. I specialize in early to mid-70s GMB bodies, but the restoration services carry over to other models as well. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more how-tos. The link to our site is in the description. Thanks for visiting.